happy to share with you my impression on a serious problem. You must all be very familiar. Day in, day out, newspapers put on the front page. We also witness in TV about a catastrophe waiting at our doorsteps. Planet in peril, Earth hangs in balance. There are several kind of headlines given. Unfortunately, the people together have driven the planet. They've taken the planet to a most destructive path. The name of the peril is climate change, which we also call global warming. All the 24 is happening. I don't need to explain what is global warming. To say briefly, burning of fossil fuel, particularly coal and petrol, and the pollution from industries, all created a poisonous gas blanket 20 kilometers above the earth, and the sun penetrates this gas blanket and reaches the earth and makes the earth warmer. Unfortunately, part of the heat gets trapped between the earth and the poisonous gas layer. This is what we call the greenhouse effect, which has resulted in global warming, increase in temperature. Global warming itself has so many divisions like atmosphere warming. Atmosphere warming has resulted in melting of polar caps, Himalaya, Arctic, for example. Recently, there's a picture in BBC, a ship is going around Arctic, which has ever happened before. And one of the most beautiful animals, polar bear, will cease to exist and become extinct. And West Antarctic is in precarious condition. If it's going to collapse, it will push the sea level world over by 32 feet. When I say this, and again, India will be badly affected because India, we have 7,500 kilometer long coastline, the two low coastline. So you know that even with cyclones, people die, perish. And due to global climate change, India will be badly affected. And second is soil warming. The soil is becoming warmer. That means the river sea will drop down. The experts say by 2020 there will be shortage, the fall in food production by at least 20% due to soil warming, which means also depletion of groundwater sources. And apart from soil warming, we have sea warming, which means seafood will drop down. And sea warming creates another problem called wind warming. The wind becomes warmer due to sea warming and becomes more volatile, virulent, violent, turbulent. To say at Katrina, by which Americans are caught unaware of Katrina. Even America could not manage attack by Katrina. This is due to wind warming. All these problems are day in, day out compounding. The food shortage will come not only because of soil warming, also shrinking of farmlands, and farmlands being systematically converted as housing sites, industrial farmlands are shrinking due to they're being converted as industries and housing sites. So there will be decrease in supply of farmland. The third, of course, the usual problem, increase in population, which will be up by another 20% by 2020. So all this put together, and in case there's going to be drought, a spell of drought for 2-3 years. So the only problem today is not all these things which I told you. People are not aware of it. People become aware, this can be reversed very easily. Very easily. One good news I want to give, that we are all talking about ozone depletion, ozone hole and all. Do you know ozone is closing up? Do you know that? The ozone problem, according to experts, may not be there because this happened all due to the awareness the people had. they reduce use of CFCs. Similarly, there's a very urgent need to carry this message forward, how to fight climate change. If this is done, and unfortunately, as people are not aware, I say that there are commissions and omissions on their part. They're expected to do many things which they are not doing, though they can do it. They should not do many things which they are doing, though they can avoid doing it. So both ways we are wrong. My advice to the viewers that Exnora International will work hand in hand with One World Academy and take this fragrance of this message forward, where people should come forward to do some small sacrifices. Having told you the problem, I'll tell you the solution. So it's very simple. Only thing, we need a larger heart, that's all. That's what we call voluntary sacrifice. In fact, we developed a website on the theme voluntary sacrifice. Voluntary sacrifice means we need to resist the pressure for pleasure and lead a simple life. That's all. Very simple. In fact, I want to share quickly an anecdote. This idea came to me when I had two visitors to my house, a gentleman from Singapore and his daughter. I offered him a cup of coffee, and I know a still child, 6 years old, will not take coffee. I offered a chocolate bar, which the child gently refused to take. When I asked what's wrong with her, the father said nothing wrong with her, but her only sister, elder sister, is diabetic. She doesn't want to take a chocolate which her sister cannot take. So I'm giving an example of sacrifice. So all of us come for children. What is the world that we are going to leave for them? And should we squander all the natural resources the planet is providing us? We are like white ants. There's some Australian white ants, they are voracious. They can eat a wood tree overnight. We are eating all the natural resources. So voluntary sacrifice. And the mantra for saying the we have developed websites for all the three. What do you mean by think globally? Now global warming is a global issue. Affects us. Vice versa. So what we should do now, we all now need to put our brain together. For that, the website helps where you can learn a lot of climate change, the causes consequence solution from the website www.exnora.in. This website helps you. It's a two-way. One, you can learn, and you can also make others learn out of your own experience and what you have learned. So think globally, act locally. Act locally means we should act. What is local? Local means could be a street. I think that's what we normally mean by act locally. You can make a street clean, green, carbon neutral, safe. Safety has become very important today. I'll tell a little later about safety. But act locally is very important. And there's no better way you can get safety than all the residents in the street joining together, hand in hand. And even what you call black cats cannot provide that security. The security which people gain by their own cooperation, coming together, being united. Clean, green road, how lovely it will be. There's a call. Today the quality of air in cities not good. That's why you get blood cancer and so many other diseases. So we are eligible, entitled for clean air, which is within our reach. By planting some special varieties of bamboo, you can achieve it. Act locally. Act locally. People love to come to your street. If you completely wrapped by plants, the street, and you take pride. It will be spotlessly clean, litter free, and safe from, I can say, fellow human beings. I say fellow human beings, thieves, robbers, dacoits, militants, etc. And natural disasters, because you know how to save yourself in case of disasters do occur. Number 3, from diseases arising out of bacteria and virus. All this information available, including accidents. So people are ignorant. I ask the students, when there's a fire, in case it happens in the house, what should you do? Should you open your window or close your window? I feel shocked. I get shocked when they say, when there's a fire, you open the window. Actually, for fire, the oxygen is oxygen. What you should do is close the window. If you close the window, the oxygen supply will be cut. You can put out the fire easily and go out. But if you open the window, the fire will spread to other parts of the house. Simple thing. You should open the window, there's a gas leak. So it's basic things. People, they lose lives, precious lives, because of ignorance. So this is where the safety, we have a separate division called Safety Ex Nora. So we teach people disaster preparedness. Things are going to happen, but how we www/street. Your street. Probably the first thing you should do is do domestically. All of us we stay maximum time in our house. I would say at least costly, luxurious, but there's a pollution called internal pollution, what we call home pollution within the home. We have found that at least 20 things cause pollution in your house. You can be devoid of it. At the same time, you can make your house green. So do domestically to say in bullet point, you can segregate waste as